I done put some young dumb niggas on the payroll, running with them Dracos, coming from the front and the back. Shit is real in the field when the coach send a blitz. Know a nigga gotta go and get a quarterback sack. 40 go to that. You ain't certified in the hood and a nigga gon' take your pack. Got jack for your shit, now them niggas on the ground with your chain on their neck, telling you to get it back. Type of shit is that. Type of nigga fall under pressure, couldn't handle the load on his back. You knew he was telling, I give a fuck what he's selling. How you gon' buy from a rack? No coming back. Now you can't hang on the set with the game, we ain't rockin' like that. You don't want drama like that, you get hit with a yapper like that on my side of the track. I sent your bitch on the road, make her go give me a load and she bringing it back. Standing in the middle of the kitchen, but a nigga with her clothes off, New Jack City, this crack. Stay the fuck up out of my business, I ain't really that friendly, fuck nigga, we ain't cool like that. I'm never gon' get my attention, I ain't hear one word that he said, he ain't bout no wrecks. Nah, fuck niggas ain't bout no racks. I ain't heard one word that he said, can't give him my attention, cause it really ain't bout no stacks. Nah, on gang. Real niggas don't rock like that. I give a fuck what you said and I heard you was telling, don't come on my side of the tracks. Nah, on gang, don't come on my side of the tracks. Got 30s and 50s and max. I stay with the shit, it's a fact. Your shit gon' get pushed to the back. Not a barber, but I'm quick to line up your fade. This sticker come out and get blazed. Please stay the fuck out my way, I ain't come here to play. I'm about to bust up your bitch, she been loving on Chris. I'ma have that hoe yelling out Kane. She on her Percocet at 30, I already came, and she won't start giving me brain. Bird in the air when I chirp, I just landed the plane. Niggas come copping whole things. I thought the money was fake, had to pull out the marker. You almost got hit with that flame. Making me wait, I'm impatient. If we gon' do business, you should've been there when I came. Focus on bitches and Gucci's and shopping and ballin'. I'm telling you that shit is lame. Money keep calling and calling, my pocket so heavy now they lift me up with a crane. Jesus keep blessing and telling me ain't no more stressing, and I say hello be thy name. I done put some young dumb niggas on the payroll, running with them Dracos, coming from the front and the back. Shit is real in the field when the coach send a blitz. Know a nigga gotta go and get a quarterback sack. 40 go to that. You ain't certified in the hood and a nigga gon' take your pack. Got jack for your shit, now them niggas on the ground with your chain on their neck, telling you to get it back. Type of shit is that. Type of nigga fall under pressure, couldn't handle the load on his back. You knew he was telling, I give a fuck what he's selling. How you gon' buy from a rack? No coming back. Now you can't hang on the set with the game, we ain't rockin' like that. You don't want drama like that, you get hit with a yapper like that on my side of the track.